You type cargo install ripgrep, hit enter, and then you wait. Here's what's actually happening under the hood, and 3 ways to skip the wait entirely. Cargo install downloads, compiles, and installs a Rust binary onto your system. It's part of Cargo, Rust's official package manager and build tool. Run it, and Cargo does 3 things. Fetches the source code from crates.io, compiles it locally with your Rust toolchain, then drops the finished binary into your cargo bin folder, usually ~/.cargo/bin. A few commands worth knowing. Install a specific version, install straight from a Git repo, force overwrite an existing install, or uninstall when you're done. People mix this up constantly. Cargo install puts a standalone tool on your system, so you can run it from anywhere in your terminal. Cargo add adds a library to your project's cargo.toml, so your code can import it. So why does it feel slow? Because Cargo install isn't downloading a finished program. It's compiling everything from scratch every single time. Every dependency gets built fresh in an isolated environment. None of your project's cached builds get reused. And tools built with heavy macros, like clap or Tokio, generate a huge amount of code to compile before you even get started. On top of that, Cargo install always builds in release mode, aggressive optimizations, dead code elimination, link time optimization. And that final linking step? Mostly stuck on a single CPU core, no matter how many cores you have. None of that is actually necessary most of the time. Here are 3 ways to skip it. First, and best, cargo-binstall. Install it once, and it fetches pre-built binaries straight from a crate's GitHub releases. No compiling, done in seconds. Same tool, same command shape. One of them just skips the compiler entirely. Second, check your system package manager first. Tools like ripgrep, bad, and Azar are almost always already pre-built for Homebrew, apt, pacman, or scoop. Third, if you do need to build from source, you can turn off the heaviest optimizations to cut compile time, though a pre-built binary is still faster. So next time you reach for cargo install, ask yourself if you actually need to compile anything at all. Most of the time, you don't.